Vector applications. There's nothing actually new in this example, it's all using stuff that we've done before. So object A is located at 10i plus 50j plus 10k meters, and object B is located at negative 60i minus 40j plus 20k meters. Object A is moving with a constant velocity of negative 10i minus 8j plus 2k meters per second, and object B is moving with a constant velocity of 12i plus 10j minus 2k meters per second. State the position vector of each object at time t. So for A, we know that initially it is at 10, 50, 10, and it is moving with a velocity of negative 10, negative 8, 2, and B is initially at negative 60, negative 40, 20, and its velocity is 12, 10, negative 2. Find the smallest distance between the two objects in their subsequent motion and the time at which this occurs. Now we know from earlier work that that's going to be when the relative position and the relative velocity are perpendicular. So let's write RA as 10 minus 10t, 50 minus 8t, and 10 plus 2t. And then let's write RB as negative 60 plus 12t, negative 40 plus 10t, and 20 minus 2t. So A relative to B is just RA take away RB. So that's going to be 10 take away negative 60, so 70, take away 22t, and then 50 take away negative 40 is 90, and that will be take away 18t, and 10 take away 20 is negative 10, and then 2t take away negative 2t, that's going to be plus 4t. And then that means that a VB we can just pick off from the t coefficients here. So that's going to be negative 22, negative 18, 4. So what we need is for 70 take away 22t, 90 minus 18t, and negative 10 plus 4t, dot negative 22, negative 18, 4 to be equal to 0. So that gives us negative 22, 70 minus 22t, take away 18, 90 minus 18t, plus 4, negative 10 plus 4t is equal to 0. So that gives us negative 1540 plus 484t, take 1620 plus 324t minus 40 plus 16t is equal to 0. So that gives us 824t is 3,200. So t is 3,200 divided by 824, which is 400 over 103, which is approximately 3.88 seconds. Now all we need to do is substitute back into here. We want the magnitude of 70 take away 22 times 400 over 103, 90 take away 18 times 400 over 103, and negative 10 plus 4 times 400 over 103. And we get that just by doing a square root, and that's the square root of 70 take away 22 400 over 103 all squared, and so on. So the 90 minus 18 times that squared, and the negative 10 plus 4 times 400 over 103 squared, and that gives us about 25.9 meters.